Alright, Kendrick Lamar song we are playing now. Yeah. Where?
My here? What's up?
Alright.
Take off your wig, let me see yours.
A man wearing a condom don't even count as a body much as a man just in.
Huh?
Welcome to the social media countdown, burritos. Okay, today's a Wednesday. All right, let me just stop this. Jesus Christ. Box cover, this is Dutty Berry, and welcome to another Wednesday social media countdown. You know, it's Wednesday, we keep it short and spicy because we have things to do. It's in the middle of the weekend, you know, we have to move with some alacrity. So just sit back, relax, and let's get into today's top 5 countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama when you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 5, Leng X Kartel. Miguzu. Wow. Anyway, burritos. So Isaiah Leng, you know him as the founder of the Sting concert that happens each December upon Boxing Day. That is the 26th of December. And we know it for the show day. It's a day we celebrate dancehall events, right? You have some fest. We'll go another summer. And then when at Christmas time, you know, you look forward to Sting. Well, when Mr. Leng did find out that Kartel are going to keep film concert in December, him never like it at all because him never want any competition. Him never want no show or come and try to outshadow film. Sure. Well, Kartel make it known, say it is not going to be on the 26th. It's going to be on New Year's Eve. That is the 31st of December. And so this is what Mr. Leng now has to say.
Kartel is here and it's a new phenomenon. Yeah. No problem. Because I will be going to Kartel show also. Right. Exactly. I don't have a problem. But don't try to compete. We're not competing with him. No. We can't compete with him. We understand that Kartel, that group and Sting, was away for a portion of time. Fine. But he comes back and he wants to do a show. I am not objecting to that. Yes. Do your show, make your money, you and we do our show. The only problem I had was if for the show to be on the same date as my show. And I understand this. It's not on the same date. So I'm very, very good with it.
So you have the date?
Yeah, man. We have the 26th of December. That is what we have over the years. And I will not relinquish that for nothing. Once I know that it's coming up, it's a problem for me.
My father is 53, and he said he know about the show. Yeah. It's a long time show.
No, Sting started in 1984. I was like 26 years old with a boy.
Okay, all right. You know what? Me listen to it about in the middle of that. Me I realize yeah man, a badness are going, you know, because something about that. Like, so what if Kartel decides to keep the show on the 26th? What would I go on? I would have judgment. Because me want to see if a badness so badness. Because that did sound like Kartel did have one choice and that was to move the date. So me I wonder, suppose Kartel for change that right now and say, I'm going to do it on the 26th. Or pan like all the 25th. I know Kartel, you know, the man they were different, you know. We would be surprised if Kartel choose to have competition with Jesus Christ on his own birthday. I wouldn't be shocked at all. But let me know, burritos, do you think that this is good? That the concert is not being held on the 26th and leave that for Sting? Or are you here like, yeah man, make Kartel do anything and put any date that he wants to set? Sound off below. Number 4, Trezagaye toxic talk. Me at gal. All right, no. So Jamaican influencer, gal extraordinaire Trezagaye was recently a guest on Jeffrey's Toxic Talk podcast, where them do the usual chat about man and woman business, who at a who give on who, you know the usual strips. All right. So in this conversation, no, I guess she talked about her relationship that she have this man for 8 months, and in the middle of that, now there was a whole entire thing where Jeffrey say, realize what I go and say the man now make you really stew over you might deal with a married man. And you don't know, and my girl was just like, no go so she love him, and she could have stayed over if she want, but the fact of the matter is, she not do over the yard for no prolonged time. She have to stay at her quarters and him send for her. So maybe we don't know, but I guess we'll find out more. But just listen to this bit of the podcast.
What you are doing, man, friend?
Text, like, we just cool them with, alright.
So you feel your man friend and your man friend?
Yes, because my man know about my man friend.
That's
all
cool.
of them.
But that don't mean, say, the man friend thinks you and him a man friend. He must be a man friend until him can be a friend.
No.
May I be real with you?
I think boundaries set from the jump. Like, say, alright, how my man friend, them turn my man friend.
Them did I look here?
Yes.
And your friends on them.
Mm-hmm.
What me tell you now?
Yeah.
What me tell you now? And we as man, as man, because them something they can't reach me, have to do better.
Sure.
If a girl don't want, simple. Just like you walk on, you good? See her one party, you good? Alright. That's why they are then. Big up yourself, the man walk on, you look good, girl. And you keep it pushing.
A man wearing a condom don't even count as a body much as a man just in...
Huh?
And I
Now agree with that? So
no, discussion me your girls are saying.
No, man, you say what you say, man.
bring it up.
So you're saying... So, alright.
Me just bring it up. Me just bring up what me and the girl
So
them
if
a
a
say.
man is a condom, that no count?
If a man wear a condom?
Yeah, that no count.
And that somebody say. It
Man,
counts for me though.
It counts for you? Oh.
No, I'm just telling you that's what the girls are saying. And if a man lasts, for me, if him lasts under 5 minutes, that's definitely not a body.
So I tickle?
Yeah, it tickle me.
Okay, Trezagaye. Oh, God, man. Jaja. And in the middle of it now, she also said something that got many people talking. She was talking about what actually counts as sex. And I said, well, if the man lasts 5 minutes or less, it don't count as a body. It does not count as a body. So if she did end up, our woman did end up asleep with 500 men, if the 500 men did only last less than 5 minutes, basically the woman is a virgin. She never have no sex at all. So that is how the rules are going in the streets according to what the girl them say. And then Trezagaye, she took it a step further to say that if you have sex in a condom, it no count. It no count as a body. No, I'd like to ask you, Berrydos, if you don't know, you don't really do not do in and them look something and just watch the countdown and read in a book and go on the bed and try to be good citizens in society. But according to what you hear from your friends, because all decent people have orange careless friends. Don't act like you don't. You're already thinking of that careless friend where in your group right now. You know that person in the group. Hold on a second for me, Berrydos. Hello, brother. I'm in the middle of my social media countdown. What's up? Any specific color for the frame? Because if you realize Berrydos actually don't have the picture on there. White or blue? Blue and blue? Why not black? No black? What do you think? Jin, any suggestions for the color? Black or what? Black or white. Yeah, which is the final choice? Black. I'm in the middle of my videos, the Berrydos are wanting me to finish this topic. So black. You can send me a picture though. Yeah. All right, thank you. That was my brother. We're trying to kind of get back the picture right here. Kind of don't see it in this countdown. So anyway, let me know, Berrydos. Is that how you practice phone body count? Sound off below. Oh gosh. Camera crew, what the body count? If your body count is over 10, say yeah. Oh, wow. If your body count is over 40, say yeah. Oh, wow. If your body count is over 60, say yeah, editor. Oh, wow, editor say yeah a while ago, whoa. Oh, 60 is a push, okay. I don't know, if your body count is over 60, say... Yeah, man, that was just a setup so I can put in the Idonia song right there. Yeah. See what I did there? Oh, God. That's that. Jaja. Number 3, Miss Jamaica World and Mr. Jamaica World. Okay. All right, Burrito. So if you don't know, we have the Mr. Jamaica World competition. It is back. Now, many people, I think it's been marketed as something new. It really hasn't been new. I did find out, say, somebody back in the day by the name of Richard Nevers. He was Mr. Jamaica World in 1996, and he would actually go abroad and come forth in the competition, but it looked like for whatever reason, whenever really I sent nobody in the competition, and I think at some point it kind of became more of like a bodybuilding flex thing in terms of the Mr. World, and so now Jamaica has decided to enter the competition again. And so I was recently at the swimwear competition, and so I got to see the contestants in both pageants, and so I'm going to show you a little bit of the swimwear competition. Yeah, man. So those were the ladies and the gentlemen. And in the end, these were the winners. The winners in the middle. So just look, I can't remember everybody's name right now, but the winners did definitely in the middle. And so I definitely think I would be there on final night because, you know, I like do the interviewing and stuff. And it was very interesting for me to see because I'm like, boy, I know job for the them competition, but I know you have male pageants because in a lot of the high schools they may have like Mr. and Mrs. Campion and Mr. and Mrs. Tourism this, but you don't really see it at that level. So I was just like, oh, wow, interesting. So when those interviews come, I will hopefully share them with you so we can have some discussion about pageants in Jamaica. So Burritos, let me know, are you here for a Mr. Jamaica? Sound off below.
Now here's this week's random video of the week.
Number 2, no Kendrick, me over you. All right, Burritos, so boy, you don't know say Popcaan and Drake, like they are basically like, so like Popcaan, yeah man, Popcaan rate Drake on a different level. Like the only person we think Popcaan did rate, well, no, oh wow, yeah man, there was Kartel, before Drake there was Kartel, and yeah man, Popcaan did have a different type of love for Kartel too, so no, I guess that transfer to Drake. And so recently, as Popcaan sat down, just kind of chill and stuff, he noticed that in the background, them did a play Kendrick Lamar's Not Like Us. So if you don't remember what the song sound like, this is like a piece of it. And in that song, that was basically a diss song that Kendrick did towards Drake, calling him all kind of names under the sun, and I say him love little pitney and every little thing. You get me? And so while sitting down there, me could have barely hear the song about Popcaan catch it quick. I was just like, he is not going to tolerate any Kendrick Lamar song around him. Him not going to dip on that. Listen.
All right, Kendrick Lamar song we're playing now.
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know, someone pocket.
I think homegirl got some surround sound vibes upstairs.
If I that up, you got skip that blood clot there. Thank you. I want to hear that murder. Turn out that.
I read it.
Put change the station.
Change the station.
Yeah, man. Them 2 extra. One buckler, them have to Kendrick Lamar in a boy.
I will fuck with Kendrick.
No, I hear not Kendrick Lamar, nigga. Fuck the island time, me independent, of you, me think the same. Yeah, loyalty really. Look, you see where in my skin? The hour. Yeah. Bro, to be honest, England energy is like nowhere else in this world, bro. Especially in London and Birmingham. They go crazy.
You know what? At the end of the day, me I like, boy, oh boy. I guess I respect it. But I can't understand, man, because, you know, if you're that close to Drake, then you don't want nobody who are the apps for kind of in your presence. So I can kind of understand that, but for kind of just have vex with the radio, if you're just randomly playing like a popular song, me be like, so I got, what got me if them invite a guy to Grammys or go someplace and then Kendrick Lamar did it on the red carpet and the tone and part, like, Waga go on? Waga really go on? Fight or go pop out? That's what I would like to know. So Burritos, just let me know. Do you think that this was a reasonable request that Popcaan made? Or you think him should have just be grown about it and just understand, say, you go places where people are going to be fans of your ups? Sound of below. And number 1 goes to Up in New York. Woo! Yes! Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number 1 goes to Poppin' New York. No, if you now watch the Rolly So Easy, Trouble Link TV, he has been doing his Pop the Balloon videos, and trust me, they have gone viral countless times. Because you see, when Jamaican people do something, we do it for entertainment. We do it for the vibes and we do it for the virality. And so the show has done so well that he has progressed beyond the Jamaican shores. Now he has gone over to the United States of America, New York to be specific, and he has done another video. And of course, it has gone viral. Just check it out.
But don't like mean, man. So you mean pop it. Yep. Jamaican man mean.
Your name, why pop the balloon?
Kadim_DJ Hype. First and foremost, I have some friend, my friend named Mixie. So when they come to my yard and see all them big boot there. No, a boot big brother.
I don't like your glass door.
I mean, I like.
Inside, in a dark house.
You want a belt?
I don't need that.
I know my style.
And you have all of your tag them like your bar clothes.
Me I carry them back.
What's your type?
I ain't gonna lie, I like a bad boy, to be honest with you.
How long you here be? Because it seems like you had an video about 2 weeks now, man.
Yeah, what about me?
Yeah, man, you come out. Your part way down by your eyebrow.
What about you? Take off the hat. Let me see your hair.
See my hair? What's up?
All right.
Take off your wig, let me see yours.
I see I look at your style. I baby them turn adult. Look on them, all of them a live.
Look at in your teeth them.
No man, when me hear the youth talk about the girl and the girl say he must go take off film hat and show film real hair, and him turn around and say, take out your weave and show your real hair underneath it, I nearly drop a ground like me and say, no man, a brother there. Yeah. For your brother, for you go up against a Jamaican woman in a tracing and actually get something on the scoreboard is a commendable. Because every day it happening, and every day it happening, but yeah, You have to quick on your feet. So I'd have to give him that now, but boy, oh boy, then you have this next youth today that talk about the girl baby ear. Then the other conversations with the girl look like she come there and she did high. Like, honestly, like, me don't think nobody really come on them show you for love at all. Me don't think nobody show up for love. But I think people just show up there for have one little moment, one little 15 seconds of fame, for make people follow them on Instagram and then go about their yard because Jaja, these moments are so savage. I mean, I feel wonder like, who are these people who left them yard and come and pop the balloon? Because you, I feel have a certain level of self-esteem, self-value, self-worth for really going at them space there. I know say people can ridicule any part of your body, anything about you, from your height to how your head look, to your type of job, to your clothes and how cheap or expensive it is. Like, boy, oh boy. So, Burritos, just let me know. Would you ever appear on a Pop the Balloon episode? You think you'd show up on it? Do you have that type of, what you call it, confidence to be able to withstand anything that somebody could have thrown against you? Sound off below. I volunteer. Me not host it. And if it's still, I want old people Pop the Balloon, like people who are over like all 70. You get me, like all of the golden age home. That is the type of Pop the Balloon more. Because them need love too, and everybody need love. Alright? Yeah, man. So sound off if that's a good idea, Burritos. Well, that's it. Burritos, we've come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure to say you like, you share, you comment, you subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Once again, thank you so much for, rocking with me for 10 years. We're at the 300,000 subscriber mark. And make sure to say you just play your part. Tell your cousin, your auntie, your nephew, your grand aunt who's sitting beside you now, just take them phone and subscribe to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel, okay? Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms at Dutty Berry Show on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. All right, take care until next time. Ta-ta!
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, the box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me, I what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.